Hi all, welcome back. Today we will see how we can do a Maven installation for setting up your AEMS cloud on your machines. I'll just open my CMD. We'll see if Maven is installed. Okay, MVN, and you press enter. It says Maven is not recognized as an internal. That means there is no Maven installed in this machine, or if at all Maven is present, it is not able to recognize the command. So for that we have to do few things. First we will go to the official documentation and check what version of Maven should we uh, download. Okay, so when you come to the official documentation, you can see that the Maven version mentioned is 3.8.8. So we will go to the official Maven website and we will check the versions to download. So as of now, the latest Maven version is 3.9.5, but we need 3.8.8. So let's try to keep match the versions which is mentioned in the document so that there is no compatibility issues. So for time being, for this I will be downloading the version mentioned in the documentation. Since my machine is a Windows machine, I'm gonna download 3.8.8. What I did is I clicked on this bin.zip version. We don't need the src.zip but bin.zip, right? I have already clicked on it. It is already downloaded. Now let's copy that downloaded zip into a folder and then we will see further what to do. So I have copied the downloaded zip into a folder. It can be any folder, it need not have to be inside programs, but you can keep it anywhere. So once I keep it in a folder, I'm going to unzip this. But it got stuck. So you right click this and you say extract here. So it will extract all the contents to this folder. Now, once this is extracted, you can just double click it. So once extracted, if you open, you can see bin boot, conflip, all got extracted. Now we have to tell whatever applications is going to run Maven that this is the path where your Maven is located. So for that, we will check for environment variable. So there is environment variable. So when you have environment variables window opened, you can use, if you are using your company laptop, maybe uh, only the environment variable will be enabled for you cannot set values in system variable. So if you set it for in environment variable, so it will be only available for that particular user um, of this login, right? But since this is my personal laptop, I'm going to do it in a system variable. But first make sure there is no Maven anywhere in this system variable. So I don't have any Maven there. But unfortunately, I cannot edit it here. So what should we do? We'll go back. We are going to type system edit system environment variables. Okay, so let it open. You click on edit variable and now you can see all these buttons are enabled. So we have already made sure there is no Maven. So we click on new, we type maven underscore home and we copy this path and we are gonna paste it here. Okay, now we have put the path to the Maven home. Now, whenever a program is running, it always looks at the path variable to pick the path. So we are going to put percentage Maven underscore home percentage slash bin here. What we are telling is whenever you want to get the Maven, go to Maven underscore home variable, pick that path, append it with slash bin, and that's your Maven path. Okay, what's the advantage? So later, if anytime you want to upgrade your Maven version, you just need to come here, change the Maven underscore home, and you don't need to worry about the path property or path variable at all. So once that's done, we say okay. Okay, and we go back to the CMD. We close it. We open a new CMD. You type mvn hyphen hyphen version And ta-da, you get the latest version 3.8.8 and your machine is now set up with Maven for AEMS cloud installation. Congratulations. See you on another video.